Hey there, English learner. Today we're going to cover 22 handy phrases you might need when traveling abroad and finding yourself in need of a doctor's visit. Are you ready? Let's get started. At the doctor.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Smith. It's a pleasure to meet you. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, Dr. Smith. I'm doing all right, thank you. Nice to meet you too.
Great to hear. Before we begin, could you please tell me your name and how I can assist you today?
My name is Sarah Johnson. I've been feeling some discomfort lately, and I thought it would be best to get it checked out.
Thank you for letting me know, Sarah. We'll definitely take a closer look and see what's going on. What's wrong?
I have a headache. I have a headache and a stomach ache.
When did it start?
This morning. It started last night.
Is it the first time?
Yes, it is. No, it happens sometimes.
How bad is the pain?
It's a little bad. It's really bad.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't. Yes, I'm allergic to pollen.
Are you taking any medicine?
No, I'm not. Yes, I take medicine for my asthma.
Have you had any surgeries?
No, I haven't. Yes, I had surgery on my knee.
Do you smoke or drink?
No, I don't. Yes, I smoke occasionally.
Are you feeling sick to your stomach?
No, I'm not. Yes, I've been feeling nauseous.
Are you dizzy or feeling faint?
No, I'm okay. Yes, I've been feeling dizzy lately.
Have you lost or gained weight?
No, I haven't. Yes, I've gained a few pounds.
Are there any illnesses affecting your family members?
No, everyone is healthy. Yes, my mom has diabetes.
Are you sleeping okay?
Yes, I'm sleeping fine. No, I'm having trouble sleeping.
How much energy do you have?
My energy is good. I'm feeling quite tired.
Do you have trouble breathing?
No, I can breathe fine. Yes, especially when I'm active.
Any changes in your bathroom habits?
No, everything is normal. Yes, I'm a bit constipated.
Any skin problems?
No, my skin is fine. Yes, some redness and itching.
How's your mood?
I'm generally in a good mood. I'm feeling down and anxious.
How stressed are you?
I'm managing my stress. I'm feeling quite stressed.
Can you see okay?
Yes, my vision is fine. Yes, but sometimes it's blurry.
Any muscle or joint pain?
No, I don't have any pain. Yes, in my knees and back.
Well, that covers everything for today. Do you have any other questions or concerns?
No, I think that's it for now.
All right then. Based on our discussion, here's what we'll do next.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care, and don't hesitate to reach out if anything comes up before our next appointment.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye and have a good day.
And now let's go over a few handy terms you'll want to be familiar with when you're at the doctor's office. Symptoms. Signs of being sick or feeling uncomfortable, like coughing or headaches.
Tell me about the symptoms you're experiencing.
Diagnosis. Finding out what's making you sick, like seeing if you have the flu.
Based on your symptoms, I'll make a diagnosis.
Prescription. Medicine your doctor gives you to help you feel better, like antibiotics for an infection.
I'll write you a prescription for this medication.
Referral. Sending you to another doctor or specialist.
I'll give you a referral to see an eye specialist.
Insurance. A plan that helps pay for your medical bills.
Do you have insurance coverage for this procedure?
Check out our website for plenty of enjoyable exercises covering different vocabulary and grammar topics. www.petrevonenglish.com. Take care and see you next time.